I said, I want the presidency. Wala akong tao, wala kayo. Pati kayong media kalaban ko, puro basura kayo binigay ninyo sa akin. Oh, now. Ngayon, ayaw pa ninyong matalo. Nananalo na ako, sige pa kayo. Eh, di, palabas ko yung baho. Natin lahat. Huwag lang amin. Meron kami tinatago. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, we all are. We are feet of clay. Tao tayo. Ilabas ninyo yung sa mga amo ninyo kasi ilalabas ko yan. Ganun lang yan. And they are, what are they protecting? Their business. Do not give me that shit about truth about improving the Philippines. How do you improve the Philippines? By what? Establishing a newspaper, then hanging onto a property of government for so long, making money out of it, paying no taxes? Is that what you want for the Philippines? Ganon lang yan eh. Ray Lopez, simple. Tanggap ka ng pera. Sige ka tanggap ng tanggap because you are crazy with money. But you do not even honor the other people, the other guy's money by giving him for what he paid for. Tapos ikaw pa ang masama. Okay, anong tawag ko sa'yo? Di putang ina ka, mukha kang pera. Ako na yung nagbayad, hindi mo na ginamit, tapos ako pa ang masama, pinapalabas mo. Ano kayo, let's check ka. Sabi ko, gusto ko nga kayo makita na I would release the day, I'd be very happy. Magkita tayo ng isang, I'd like to ask you one simple question. What that question is, why are you a son of a bitch? Oh! Sabihin ko, yun ang tanongin ko sa kanila. Why are you a shitting son of a bitch? Presidency, ito is a hanging, ito hanging. You come up with the federal setup because that is what I promised to the Moro people.